Hello mabuhay! Welcome to my channel, Jinsky Nenap at your service. Please like and enjoy to my channel. Hello guys! Dito tayo sa pa-contest, sa ginanap na contest sa Pangasinan, Asinggan. So kakaiba talaga at maraming awards dyan guys at mayroon pa silang pabanda at sayawan. Kaya let's go guys! Enjoy! Halina tayo sa Pangasinan. Tayo'y mamasyal to my happy moment to Pangasinan. Ayan, nakapak KTV pa tayo guys, kaya sobrang memorable talaga ang moment na yan sa Pangasinan. At nakapunta ako ng Dagupan, so Lingayen, so maraming lugar na napunta namin. Salamat sa Vatican Sibling pag-welcome sa aming mag-asawa. Stress free at sa mga best fiesta, ayan, isang set, ayan, dancer at banda kasama na po yan, mga dancer sa i-rent nyong singer or banda. So napakaganda ng kanilang mga tugtugin guys, enjoy tayo, talaga nag-enjoy kami sa fiesta dyan sa Asinggan, Pangasinan. Talagang inabot kami ng madaling araw hanggang sa matapos yung mga program nila at nakapagsayawan siyempre kami ng aking asawa. Enjoy for watching. Yan ang Miss Asinggan at Mr. Asinggan pa-contest. So, nakakalibang at parang bumabalik tayo sa pagiging teenager. Ayan guys, ang sarap manood pala at nakakaindak ang kanilang mga sayawan. Sobrang nakaka-amaze ang pa-contest nila dyan at maraming award at siyempre may mga singer contest din dyan pero hindi ko na nabidyohan dahil ako'y nag-i-enjoy sa panonood. Ayan guys, so congrats sa mga nanalo dyan at lahat po, walang umuwing luwaan dyan, lahat ay may prize, lahat ay nanalo, lahat ay may award. Kaya sana lahat ng pa-contest ay laging ganyan para lahat ay uwing masaya at may confidence sa kanilang sarili. Kaya congrats sa lahat, disappoint. So lahat may award dyan na contest, kaya lahat ay masaya after ng contest na yan.
For female category, and they will be receiving a sash and a gift certificate. Female category, we have candidate number 5. And also congratulations to female candidate number 1. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Abaroas hair and makeup artist award. Official candidates for Binuo at Binibini, Secho, Diparte 2026. Once again, parinig naman po kami ng isang malakas na palakpakan para sa ating mga kandidata. And before we proceed to the major competitions, we will present the first set of minor awards. May we call on our presenters to award to the 7 candidates. Okay, let's begin to 09-17 of May 2026. And to give the award, may we call Miss Crystal Monsen. Let's begin to the female candidate number 8. And to our male category, congratulations to male candidate number 8. Let's begin the cash and sash. Once again, may we call Marla, Miss Mel, and she will come over. Wow, mas away pa naman. Jenny, dito na tayo matatapos. Female candidate number 2. And our male candidate is, we also want to award special cash, Mr. Julian Burton. And our Mr. Azor Yonjan, male candidate number 7. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. and Miss Azor Yonjan 2026. Next award. Okay, next, pagkakita ka.
Think you're so badly, you know, I need to have that really yesterday. I was selling love to people, now you're right next to me, make you love me. I will never work out there. We hope you're such a lady, such a lady. I will never work out. Would you know, you're such a lady, yeah. Sing it. I need to come on, baby. I need to know, I need to know.
Yan ang banda at mga nagsisiksiyang dancer. Napakaganda ng kanilang performance at isang set na po yan. Pag iyanan nyo sila, i-guess sa inyong mga party, banda with dancer na po yan. So nakakalibang at tinabot kami ng alas 3 sa aming panunood at pagkikipagsayawan dyan. Thank you sa Pangasinan. Nag-enjoy kami sa aming vacation. Salamat sa Vatican, sibling at sa kanilang mga pamilya. Thank you so much guys sa ulitin. Nag-enjoy ang aking asawa sa pagpunta sa Pangasinan at maulit pa ito. Good luck sa ating journey, guys. Enjoy. Please like
Thank you for
my
watching,
videos.
guys. Ito ang aming mga magagandang group picture at sana'y naging masaya kayo at nag-enjoy master. Ayan guys, salamat sa inyo. Let's go Pangasinan. Thank you so much sa pag-welcome sa aming mag-asawa. Ayan, sa wakas nakapunta ng Dagupan. Yan guys, pasyal din kayo pag may time. 1 hour lang yan papuntang Baguio. Kaya insulitin na natin ang moment pag may time. Enjoy your journey and bonding with your friend and new friend. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.